Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to get state from the Redux store. The Redux store object provides several methods that allow you to interact with it. For example, you can retrieve the current state held within the Redux store with the getState method. The code from previous challenges is rewritten more concisely in the code editor. So here we've got the constant of store, which is equal to the Redux store, in which we create a store with a reducer with a default state set to 5, and then we return the state. This is just the default state, right? So if we do something with the store and the state changes, then we return the new state. The code from the previous challenge is rewritten to retrieve the state. So we want to just do store.getState to retrieve the state from the store and assign this to a new variable called current state. So we want to say let current state equal this. Okay, cool. So that's what we're doing. And so what are we doing? I wish I could just describe a bit more of the different variables, but basically we're creating the Redux store becomes a object, and we assign it to the variable of store. Once we do store, we're going to have a collection of methods and different tools that are related to calling methods on the Redux store. The first one is getState, which basically assigns the current state. If we were to console.log the current state, you'd see we get 5 because we're passing in a default value of 5. If we were to pass in 9, then our current state should change. getState. Oh, no. We would have to pass in a different reducer. And so that's something we're going to cover in the future. So yeah, the current state right now is equal to 5 because we set it as a default here. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.